Let's visit tomorrow, today itself, in this one of the most beautiful building of the world, which is in Dubai, the Museum of Future. Yes, ये बहुत ही फैंटास्टिक प्लेस है फॉर द एक्सप्लोरर्स हु वांट टू एक्सप्लोर देयर फ्यूचर. ये 7 फ्लोरेड में बांटा हुआ है और अंदर से ये काफ़ी बड़ा है, बाहर से काफ़ी छोटी दिख रही है और इसकी विंडोज़ में आप कैलीग्राफी देख सकते हैं जो कि मोहम्मद शेख के द्वारा लिखी हुई पोएम है. जब हम बैंड्स के लिए, अपने टिकट बैंड्स के लिए वेट कर रहे थे तो ये हमें इंटरटेन करके रख रहा था. इट इज़ वन ऑफ द फ्लाइंग ऑब्जेक्ट जो कि बैटरी से शायद चलती हो और जब इसकी चार्ज कम हो जाती है ये खुद ब खुद चली जाती थी चार्ज होने के लिए. वैसे तो यहाँ पे एक ऑक्टोपस टाइप की भी ऑब्जेक्ट हुआ करती थी लेकिन अभी वो हमें देखने के लिए नहीं मिली. We were really feeling lucky to visit this place because it was open nearly 6 to 7 months ago only. So it was open for the visitors since 22nd of February 2022. So very easy date to learn, right? यहाँ पर हमारा वेट ख़त्म होता है क्योंकि अब हमारा चांस आ चुका था. तो चलिए बढ़ते हैं आगे.
Greetings everyone. My name is Aya. I'm a digital resident of the Museum of the Future. Welcome to my home. Like everything you see here, I was envisioned by the Dubai Future Foundation and brought to life by storytellers, visionary technologists, and artists from around the world. My intelligence infuses this building and empowers every exhibit it holds. As you voyage to the future, I will be your guide. The worlds that you will encounter are not predictions, they are challenges. Your task is to explore and return with discoveries that can help the present. My intelligence can take in many forms, from light to sound. You'll find me most often as my avatar. Isn't she cute? Your journey begins in a very special place and time, Mohammed bin Rashid Spaceport, February 2071. The launch is about to start. Follow me. Please follow.
स्पेस की ओर बढ़ रहे हैं. स्पेस स्टेशन हम लोग एक्चुअली में जा रहे हैं जिसका नाम है OSS होप. तो चलिए एक एक करके पहले अर्थ की लेयर्स को क्रॉस करते हुए किस तरह से स्पेस में पहुंचते हैं वो जर्नी आपको यहाँ पे देखने के लिए मिलेगी. सो इंटरेस्टिंग. Imagine the space, isn't it? Or it was so quick journey, है ना?
On the capsule, you will see OSS Hope just coming to view now.
So this is the space station that we are going to visit now.
OSS Hope now has control of her final docking.
So we are inside OSS space station now and we are going to explore what all things are here.
هذا الصرح الرائع هو محطة الفضاء المدارية الأمريكية وهي أكبر محطة مدارية صنعها الإنسان ومن أعظم الإنجازات البشرية. This magnificent edifice, orbital space station home, is the largest orbiting structure ever built achievements.
In this table we can see our solar system and everything is scaled very properly. The children who loves to explore about the solar system, space and science is a perfect place here.
Hello everyone. Does anyone know why there's only 8 planets? Wasn't there a planet? Does anyone know? Yes? Which planet is missing?
Pluto.
Pluto. What's her name?
He's the
Round of applause, everyone. Pluto is not considered a planet since 2006 by the International Astronomical Union. Therefore, the last one is Neptune. And the Earth is the third one from the Sun, right over there. Now, the purpose of this monument has 2 features. One is we're honoring the lives of the astronauts, and number 2 is it was built to find the location of Mecca using these ancient tools. Now we can see that these lines represent a tool just like this. It is known as Astrolab. This tool can find the location of Mecca since the olden times.
Every tables was full of knowledge where you can gain very much and explore by yourself by simply touching your band onto it.
When I applied to as a solo, sure that this is the right place for me. Now I'm wondering whether I belong here. Everybody seems very smart and accomplished. I don't know if anybody else feels like this.
It's the complex neuron system that we are going to have in future.
As I was saying, the historic birth center of the solar energy system transmits solar power from
These exoskin will work properly in a space, and everything you are watching in this line area should be viewed in this space only and works properly there itself. That will protect them from viruses and will have lots of energy saved in them. And this is from Nepali, I suppose, and this is a helmet that can be viewed in space as well. And this is a Hope accelerator. On this table you can explore the 3D effect of the light, and from bottom something was protruded out. Everybody was touching and it used to went down, see, and so I also thought of touching it, and when I touched at the center it went downward. This illusion was so perfect that everybody was enjoying this part, and something was kept inside it, I think, to roll. As you can see in the top, it is rolling very well, and the light is showing the whatever things are can be found in the space. So that is it. So let's move further. So cute dog in this space. Here everybody tried how they are going to look in this space suit. So let's see how my husband is going to look, and then my daughter also tried it. Scanning your face. Wait, apply for it. So now after exploring all over, we are going back to our earth. So friends, that was it in the floor. Now we are going to the next floor. Here we saw the Amazon rainforest. that worked in coordination to improve our environment. And this is the DNA library, you can say, where different and more than thousands of species existed, and everything was radiating light, which was looking very awesome and beautiful. As you can see, they all were changing their colors, and its closer look, defined each and every particle of it. So it was looking really wonderful. Do let me know in the comment section below how much did you like this place. And share with your friends, those who are science lovers. In this zone, you can see all the plants, algae, and bacteria that have been grown in difficult conditions in order to cure our bad cells and disease type bodies. These are the real achievements made by many peoples out here that have been connected to this place. Wow, this one is looking really beautiful. So let's move. This is the radiating carpet. Wherever we were keeping our legs, it was going far away from us. It is like a North Pole, and we are also acting as a North Pole only because it was repulsing us, as you can see. And in physics, once upon a time, we have read about it, how the wave works, and it was something like that only. Can you comment in the comment section what do you think about this area? तो यहाँ पर ये फ्लोर भी ख़त्म होता है. चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं और नेक्स्ट फ्लोर पे चलते हैं. Can you imagine, this whole building is without any pillar, and it is shown here how it was built, and in the upcoming future how the vehicles is going to be is shown in this floor. And you can see this future drone is going to lift even the people also when they are somewhere stuck in jams and all. This suit will lift you up and take you to the office, and this is a mini bus, or you can say a car, that is going to drop the children to the schools. This is to reduce plastic, and these are made up of algae and seaweeds that are found in ocean, and in the form of capsule we can eat proteins and vitamins that are needed to our body, and as well as we can use it as a shampoo simply by adding little warm water to it. So it is very much useful for our future, and it is biodegradable as well. So it is there to replace plastic and to have a better future for our upcoming generations. In the upcoming future, whatever things get injured, we are going to have it again by these 3D printers that is going to print out tissues. And there were many things that can be explored in this place. Because my battery was really getting low, I was not able to take many things. These are the improved shoes, and this suit is copper based, which is going to protect us from viruses like COVID also. And this is how we can hack our bodies from these instruments. And these are going to, make us more stiff and support our backbone, and very good for our future for those who want to stand and work throughout the day. This one is dark matter lab. You can't see from space, it is invisible, and it will be simply a dark everywhere. This is Paro, the cute robot that is going to replace our pet animals. This one is Alpha Mini Robot, and it is going to teach as a teacher in future to our children. Due to the increasing population and climatic change, our future buildings will be quite different from the recent one. They are bringing up hard materials that will support our homes and buildings, and they are superb material, as you can see here. So friends, that was it in this floor, and in the next unit only children technology were found, and adults were not allowed to go there. So this is it. And as I told you earlier, my battery was not supporting me to take more of the things, the meditation area and the hum area. So that's it for today. Meet you in another blog. Until then, take care, goodbye, stay blessed, and this is Ekta signing off. Bye bye.